All right, folks, buckle up because we're about to dive into a wild ride through the crypto universe. You're scrolling through your feed, minding your own business, when suddenly you stumble upon a headline that makes you do a double take. AI predicts crypto crash with eerie accuracy. Yeah, you read that right. An artificial intelligence, dubbed Cryptoworkle, apparently saw the digital dollar signs crumbling before anyone else did. Talk about a plot twist, huh? Now, before you start thinking this is some sci-fi movie pitch, let me assure you, this is real life, and it's about to get weirder than a glitch in the Matrix. So, who or what exactly is this Cryptoworkle? Well, that's the million Bitcoin question, isn't it? Some say it's the brainchild of a secret group of tech wizards. Others claim it's a rogue AI that gained sentience in a basement somewhere. Heck, for all we know, it could be your neighbor's smart fridge that got too smart for its own good. But here's where things get juicy. This digital Nostradamus didn't just wake up one day and decide to rain on the crypto parade. No. The story goes that it was quietly churning away, analyzing data faster than you can say blockchain, when it suddenly spat out a prediction that would make even the most seasoned crypto bros break into a cold sweat. At first, most people laughed it off. I mean, come on, an AI predicting the future of crypto? That's about as believable as your cat suddenly speaking fluent Klingon, right? Wrong? Dead wrong. As the crypto market started doing its usual roller coaster impression, something felt ... different. The air was thick with tension, like that moment in a horror movie when you know the monster is about to jump out. Traders were sweating bullets, hodlers were clutching their hardware wallets, and meme coins were, well, still being meme coins. But then, it happened. The market didn't just dip. It took a nosedive so steep it would make Olympic divers jealous. And guess what? Cryptoworkle called it. All of it. The timing, the scale, even which coins would get hit the hardest. It was like watching a car crash in slow motion, except the car was made of digital gold, and we were all passengers. The accuracy was so spatan, it was almost creepy. People who had dismissed the AI's warnings were suddenly feeling like those characters in Disaster movies who ignore the scientist's advice. You know, the ones who always end up running from tsunamis or dinosaurs. In the aftermath, as the dust settled and portfolios lay in ruins, everyone was asking the same question. How did this silicon-brained soothsayer see what human experts couldn't? Was it crunching numbers at light speed? Reading the digital tea leaves? Or maybe it just has a really good magic 8-ball. The truth is, we're not entirely sure. Trying to understand Cryptoworkle's methods is like trying to explain TikTok dances to your grandparents. It's complicated, confusing, and might involve more hand-waving than actual explanation. Some speculate it's using advanced sentiment analysis, scanning every tweet, post, and meme for the slightest hint of market movement. Others think it's tapped into the very fabric of the blockchain, reading patterns we can't even see. But here's the kicker. We can't really peek under the hood. This AI is more mysterious than the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto. It's a black box, and not the kind you find after a plane crash. We're talking about an algorithm so complex it makes quantum physics look like a game of tic-tac-toe. Still, even if we can't fully grasp how Cryptoworkle works its magic, we can't ignore the lessons it's teaching us. It's like that one friend who always seems to know what's going to happen in your favorite TV show. Annoying, but also kind of impressive. And it's forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about predicting markets. Speaking of markets, let's talk about how AI is already shaking things up in the financial world. We've got algorithms trading faster than you can blink, making decisions that would give human traders whiplash. It's like the stock market floor, but instead of shouting traders, it's a bunch of servers having a really intense LAN party. Now, imagine if AIs like Cryptoworkle became the norm. Suddenly, your financial advisor isn't Chad from college with a finance degree, but a supercomputer that can process the entire history of the stock market while you're still deciding what to have for breakfast. It's enough to make you wonder if we're heading towards a future where Wolf of Wall Street gets a reboot, and it's just 90 minutes of robots staring at screens. But hold your horses, or should I say, hold your algorithms. Before we hand over the keys to our financial kingdom to our AI overlords, we need to talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the ethical dilemma in the code. Can we really trust machines to make decisions that could make or break economies? It's like asking if we should let a toddler drive a car, except the toddler is infinitely smarter than us, and the car is the global economy. And it's not just about money. If AIs can predict market crashes, what else can they foresee? Weather patterns? Election results? The next big TikTok dance craze? Actually, that last one might be beyond even AI's capabilities. We're potentially stepping into a brave new world where crystal balls are replaced by crystal clear LCD screens. So, Where does that leave us humans in this AI-powered crystal ball gazing contest? Are we destined to become mere spectators in a world run by algorithms? Or will we find a way to work alongside these digital oracles, combining their processing power with our uniquely human intuition and creativity? It's like a buddy cop movie, but instead of a grizzled veteran and a hotshot rookie, it's humanity and AI trying to solve the case of well, everything. As we wrap up this mind-bending journey through the world of AI predictions and crypto calamities, we're left with one burning question. What will Crypto Oracle or its AI siblings predict next? The cure for the common cold? The date of the next Avengers movie? Or maybe, just maybe, it'll predict when humans will finally figure out how to fold fitted sheets properly. Whatever comes next, one thing's for sure. The future is looking as unpredictable as ever, even with AI trying to spoil the surprise. So, keep your eyes peeled, your mind open, and maybe, just maybe, listen to that smart fridge next time it tells you to sell your dog. After all, in a world where AIs can predict market crashes, anything is possible. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go ask my toaster for some investment advice.